ever sit down to study or work and suddenly an hour has passed and you've been watching videos on your phone?
Or maybe you are in a meeting and you realize you haven't heard a single word for the last 5 minutes. Your mind was somewhere else completely.
If that sounds familiar, then this episode is for you.
Welcome to English Audio Lab. My name is Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. It's great to have you with us.
Today, we are talking about a very common problem, focus. Specifically, how to talk about having trouble focusing in natural everyday English.
Yes, because it happens to everyone. By the end of this lesson, you will learn some great phrases to describe this feeling. And later, Trevor will share some real life tips to help us all improve our focus.
And it can also help you feel more connected to others when you can share this common struggle. And it's not just about work or studying. It can happen when you're talking to a friend or even when you're trying to relax and watch a movie. Your body's there, but your mind is somewhere else.
That's right. And if you want to keep improving your English confidence with us, make sure you subscribe to English Audio Lab. You'll never miss a lesson.
That's so true. It's a universal human experience in our very busy modern world. So, having the right words to talk about it is really important for expressing yourself accurately. Let's start with a short story. This is about a university student named Leo.
Okay, I'm listening.
Leo has a big exam tomorrow. He sits at his desk with his textbook. He tells himself, okay, I need to study for 3 hours. He reads the first page.
But then his phone buzzes. It's a message from a friend. He thinks, I'll just check it quickly. He replies to the message. Then he sees a notification for a new video. He clicks it. Oh no, Leo, I can see where this is going.
Exactly. Suddenly, he looks at the clock. An hour has passed. He has only read one page. He feels stressed and frustrated. He thinks, why can't I just focus?
Poor Leo. I really understand that feeling. I think we've all been Leo at some point.
Absolutely. Leo wanted to study, but he got sidetracked.
Got sidetracked. That's a great phrase. What does it mean exactly?
To get sidetracked means to get distracted from what you are supposed to be doing. Your main task is the track. A distraction pulls you to the side, so you get sidetracked.
That makes sense. His phone was the distraction, so Leo got sidetracked by his phone.
Perfect. And what happened while he was sidetracked? He didn't notice the time passing. We can say he lost track of time.
Lost track of time. That happens to me a lot, especially on the internet.
It's very easy to do. There's another useful phrase here. Sometimes when you're supposed to be listening or reading, your mind just goes empty. You are looking at the book, but you're not really seeing it. In that situation, you can say you zoned out.
Zoned out. It sounds like being in a different zone.
That's a good way to think about it. You're not thinking about anything specific, you're just gone for a moment.
So if I'm daydreaming in a class, I can say, sorry, I zoned out for a minute.
Exactly right. You've got it. So we have three great phrases: to get sidetracked, to lose track of time, and to zone out. Now let's break them down and practice. This part is very important for your speaking confidence. Please say the phrases out loud with us.
Okay, I'm ready.
First phrase, to get sidetracked. This means to be distracted from your main goal. For example, I wanted to clean my room, but I got sidetracked by a phone call. Let's practice the key part. First, slowly, repeat after me. Got sidetracked.
Got sidetracked.
Good. Now at a natural speed. Got sidetracked.
Got sidetracked.
Now the full sentence. It's easy to get sidetracked.
It's easy to get sidetracked.
Excellent. Second phrase. To lose track of time. This means you don't notice time passing. For example, when I read a good book, I always lose track of time. Let's repeat slowly. Lose track of time.
Lose track of time.
Natural speed. Lose track of time.
Lose track of time.
And our third phrase, to zone out. Your mind goes blank.
This is a good one.
Repeat slowly. Zoned out.
Zoned out.
Natural speed, zoned out.
Zoned out.
Great job. Now, feel free to pause the audio and practice those phrases a few more times.
Practicing like this is so helpful, and we do this in every episode of English Audio Lab. So if you're not subscribed yet, now is a great time to do it.
Now, let's think about a different situation. Losing focus doesn't just happen with work or studying. It can also happen with hobbies.
That's true. For example, my friend Maria loves to read, but lately she has a problem.
What's happening?
She sits down with a good book, but her mind keeps wandering. She starts thinking about her shopping list or an email she needs to send. She reads the same sentence over and over.
Her mind keeps wandering. That's another perfect way to describe this. It means your thoughts move from topic to topic without control.
It's like her thoughts are walking away on their own.
Exactly. Maria is trying to relax with a book, but her brain is too busy. Her thoughts are all over the place.
All over the place. That means disorganized and chaotic, right?
You've got it. Her thoughts are not calm or focused. They are all over the place. Now it's your turn to speak. This is the most important step. We want you to be an active learner.
Yes. I will ask you some questions. Please pause the audio after each question and answer it out loud. Speak in a full sentence if you can. Ready? Question 1. When do you usually get sidetracked?
For example, you could say, I get sidetracked when I'm working on the computer.
Okay. Question 2. What was the last thing you were doing when you lost track of time?
You might say, I lost track of time when I was talking to my friend on the phone.
And question 3. In what situations do you sometimes zone out?
For me, I sometimes zone out when I am tired and watching a movie.
Great work. Speaking your answers out loud is fantastic for your fluency.
Okay, Alicia, so we know how to talk about focus problems, but how can we fix them? Do you have any real life tips for our listeners?
Of course, I promised some tips earlier. These are simple things that anyone can try.
Let's hear them.
Tip number 1 is to manage your environment. If your phone distracts you, put it in another room or turn off notifications. A quiet, clean space can make a huge difference.
That's a great point. A small change in your space can lead to a big change in your focus.
Tip number 2 is to use a timer. Have you heard of the Pomodoro technique?
Tell us about it.
You work with full focus for 25 minutes, and then you take a short 5-minute break. After 4 rounds, you take a longer break. It makes big tasks feel smaller and more manageable.
I like that. 25 minutes feels possible. An entire afternoon of studying feels impossible.
Exactly. And my final tip, number 3, is to be kind to yourself. Nobody can focus perfectly all the time. When you notice your mind is wandering, just gently bring it back to your task. Don't get frustrated like Leo did.
That might be the most important tip of all. Frustration only makes it harder to focus. All right, that was a lot of great information. Let's do a quick summary of what we learned today.
We learned some very natural phrases to talk about focus problems. We learned to get sidetracked, to lose track of time, and to zone out.
We also learned your mind is wandering and your thoughts are all over the place.
Then we practiced saying them out loud, which is so important.
And finally, Alicia shared 3 excellent tips. Manage your environment, use a timer, and be kind to yourself.
You have done a fantastic job today. Learning a new language takes time and focus, and you are putting in the work. Remember that every time you listen and every time you speak, you are improving.
That's so true. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on communicating step by step. You are doing great.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to continue building your confidence with us, please subscribe to English Audio Lab. We would love to have you join our community of learners.
Thank you for learning with us today. Keep listening, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode.